Match a Resident.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Zach Musa from Match a Resident, and it is October, the month of residency interviews. We also have November and December ahead for more interviews. Now today I'm touching a topic which is a tool that we created in 2017 that have assisted hundreds of candidates in the ranking process. Now I know many of you ask, why are you talking about the ranking just so many months before the ranking is happening? Now we know that during the ranking period, many of you seek forums to ask for recommendations whether to rank a program higher than another. And we believe that this is a decision you need to make. It's very difficult for other candidates to help you rank programs because it's based on many factors, especially your interaction with the programs during the interview. So we created this system specifically to help you with that. Basically, it will ask you a set number of questions, and based on the answers in the survey, it will give you a score. This way you can organize all the programs you interviewed at, and every program will have its own score. And also you can always go back, read the notes. So there's a note feature where you can add for each program, as well as you can go back to the survey and remember the answers months from now. And this way you can have a better approach during the ranking. So this system does not replace the NRMP ranking system. It's only an assistant or a tool that will assist you in the process of ranking, since it will organize all the interviews for you and gives it a score. And this way you can make your own decisions whether to rank a program over another. So I'm going to take you through a short tour and show you how the system works. So as soon as you log in, and this is available again for every member, you just have to register and it's free. As soon as you log in, you find the Rank Assist tool and you click Add a Program, select a specialty, University of California. Now this is the first set of questions, and I'll just read the first question for you. Have you done any clinical training or work with this program in the past? Yes. Now the next question is there a person within the program that may influence the program's decision positively in your favor? Let's say you don't have that kind of connection. And then you continue answering the rest of the questions. The next set of questions, it will give you three choices: less likely, somewhat likely, or very likely. So I'll read the first question. Do you feel you made a positive impression on the program's faculty and interview committee? And I'm sure you did. And the next question, do you believe the program will offer a strong comprehensive clinical training? And you continue answering all the questions. And the last set of questions is to rate each aspect of the residency encounter or interview. And in this way, in this case, the program directors could be rated, and the coordinator, the residents, the attendings, the facility, nearby neighborhood, and the overall experience. Now the next step is to calculate the score, but one step before that is to provide your interview experience, which is very important for the other candidates to see, especially those who are going for the interviews. And as soon as you provide your interview experience, you click Submit. Now the system by now have created the score for you for this residency interview experience, and it's listed here in the Rank Assist Manager list. Now you could see I made other programs, the survey, or completed some surveys for other programs in the system, and you can see how it's arranged based on score. I can go back, add notes to any entry I made. So in this case, you can also restart the survey if you want, and you can remember from restarting the survey what options you had before, or you can delete the survey completely. Now this concludes our tutorial for the Rank Assist tool that Match a Resident offers. Please use it to your advantage throughout the season, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to communicate with us. Thank you so much.
Match a Resident.